Mustard is not just a common condiment that makes your food tastier. It actually improves your health. Health benefits of mustard seeds. These yellow seeds are small, but they have tons of benefits. They are rich in minerals, phytonutrients and vitamins, and also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Do you know what seed we're talking about? Mustard seeds. Mustard, in all of its forms, has been greatly used for centuries by several different nations for both culinary and medicinal purposes. The seeds are basically made up of essential oils, protein, fiber, and vegetable steroids. In today's video, we're going to talk about mustard seeds and their health benefits. They help your thyroid. They fight cancer. They contain anti-inflammatory properties. They're rich in nutrients. They help you lose weight. Here is how you can use mustard seeds as a natural remedy to alleviate pain. In order to relieve pain with mustard seeds, you must prepare a bath with mustard. Put about 200 milliliters of normal mustard seeds in the bathtub and fill it up with hot water. After the bathtub is full, mix the seeds in well and relax for about 15 minutes. You can also apply the mixture straight onto whatever area is hurting to relieve a stopped-up nose. To clear up congestion, mix some hot water with a little mustard. Dip a cloth in the mixture, and apply it to your chest area. You can also make a delicious tea which will both relieve pain and give you more energy. Mix 1 tablespoon of fennel, 1 stick of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds in a liter of water. Boil that water for about 5 minutes. Drink 3 cups of this tea a day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.